As the world becomes more conscious of the importance of cryptocurrency, many investors have flocked to digital assets like Celsius. But with any investment, there is always a level of risk involved. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the world of Celsius and uncover why this cryptocurrency might not be the safe bet you think it is. So buckle up and get ready for a bumpy ride, because what you're about to learn might just surprise you. Lawsuit. In April 2021, Celsius was hit with a lawsuit for allegedly selling unregistered securities to U.S. customers. This is a big red flag for investors as it raises questions about the legality of the company's operations. Data breach. Just last month, there were reports of a data breach at Celsius where sensitive customer information was exposed. This is a huge concern for investors, as it shows that the company's security protocols may not be up to par. Lending practices. Celsius offers high interest rates on crypto loans, but the company's lending practices have come under scrutiny. Some critics have argued that the company may not have enough collateral to cover all of its loans. Lack of transparency. Celsius has been criticized for its lack of transparency about its operations and financials. Regulatory risks. As the crypto industry becomes more regulated, Celsius could face additional regulatory risks in the future. Competition. There are many other companies offering similar services to Celsius, which could make it difficult for the company to stand out in a crowded market. CEO's past. Celsius CEO Alex Mashinsky has a controversial past, including a conviction for insider trading. Tokenomics. The Celsius token, CEL, has been criticized for its tokenomics, which some argue is not favorable to investors. Volatility. The crypto market is notoriously volatile, which means that investing in Celsius could be a risky proposition. Lack of insurance. Unlike traditional banks, Celsius does not offer FDIC insurance, which means that investors could lose their money if the company goes under. Now, I am not saying that investing in Celsius is a terrible decision, but it's important to consider these risks before putting your money into the company. It's always a good idea to do your own research and weigh the pros and cons before making any investment decisions. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more crypto news and updates. Disclaimer. The information provided in our financial YouTube channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered as professional financial advice. Any investments made based on information presented in our videos are at your own risk. Please consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We are not responsible for any losses or damages resulting from your use of the information provided in our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.